In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a document for signature in Odoo Sign. To get started, open Odoo and go to the Sign app. This is where you can prepare documents, assign signature fields, and send them out for approval in just a few steps. Once you're in the app, click Upload PDF, then select the document you want to send for signature and upload it into Odoo. Make sure you're using the correct file version before moving forward, since this is the document your signer will receive. After the file uploads, you'll be taken to the document editor. This is where you'll prepare the document by adding the fields your signer needs to complete. Depending on your document, you can insert fields such as signature, initials, name, email, text, or date. Choose the fields that match the information you need, and then drag each one into the correct place on the document. Take a moment here to position everything carefully so the form is easy to understand and complete. Next, go to the Signer section and assign each field to the appropriate signer. This is an important step, especially if more than one person will be signing or filling out the document. Assigning fields correctly ensures that each recipient only completes the sections intended for them. Once your document is ready, click Send in the upper left corner. This opens the new signature request window, where you'll enter the details for sending the request. Under Contacts, add the signer who needs to receive the document. If needed, you can also set a valid until date to create a deadline for the signature request. This can be helpful when the document needs to be completed within a specific time frame. You also have the option to enable reminders. This is useful if you want Odoo to automatically follow up with the signer in case they don't complete the request right away. Before sending, review the subject line of the signature request and edit it if necessary, so it clearly describes the document. If you want to keep others informed, you can optionally add CC recipients. You can also enter a message to give the signer context or instructions, which can help avoid confusion and improve response time. When everything looks good, click Send at the bottom left to deliver the signature request. Finally, go back to Documents to view and track the status of your signature request. This makes it easy to monitor whether the document has been sent, viewed, or signed. Thanks for watching.